Dear all, good morning. Today I am going to discuss how to calculate sample size for cohort study using Stata software. Generally, we use this formula to estimate the sample size, where P1 the prevalence of outcome in unexposed group, P2 is the prevalence of outcome in the exposed group. And if we put this information in this formula, then we can get the sample size. But we use Stata software. Let's go to Stata software. This is our Stata software. So we have to go to statistic, then power or sample size, and we have to click here. Then we have to choose proportion to independent sample, and we will use chi-square test for comparing two independent proportion. Now our power is 90% or 80% based on our hypothesis, and prevalence in group 1 is 17.5, sorry, 0.17.5, and this was 0.35. And the important part is this part. For cohort study, we have to choose a relative risk. So level of significance is 5%, power is 90%, proportion in one group is 17.5, proportion in other group in 35. And if we click submit, these are sample size. Per group is 31. And we can we can create this table for our proposal. Now we can change the parameter. For example, if power is 80%, then sample size is this. If prevalence of in one group is 20%, and prevalence other group is, for example, 30%. If we can change based on our hypothesis, our literature review, our study design, etc. Yes, this is our sample size. This is the Stata code. Using this code, we can estimate sample size easily. Thank you very much.